Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of LinkedIn app and you will click here. Then you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about LinkedIn, jobs and business news, and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your